Hi. So what if I tell you can design any branding asset on browser for any industry? Okay. For example, the beauty industry. So starting from the logos, beauty logos, then this is business card, beauty business card, then Facebook beauty cover, and then YouTube beauty banner. Okay, or YouTube cover. So starting from this logo, first you visit this page. Okay, using the link, then you can just tap the design you like. For example, the first one, you simply tap on it. Then this is the second page. Here you should select the color. Okay, so this is the continue option over here. Here you need to enter the name. Okay, in this box you should enter the business name over here. For example, Glow Me. Okay, so then continue over here, and then you have this slogan. You can enable or disable it if you want. Beauty studio, just for example. So this is a beauty studio, and then you have this continue over here. Okay, you just select the position left or right, then again continue, and then you can download. So your logo is ready to download. If you want to do some little bit customizations, you should tap on the switch to editor option over here, so that from here you can customize it further. Okay, for example, this background you want to change. Okay, so you can change it, right? This font you want to something you want to do, like you want to change in this way, you can do. So now let's move to this banner. Same thing. Okay, you write something over here. Okay, on this banner, and this is actually your Glow Me. Okay, so Glow Me banner, and the same font what you have selected here, this is Jackson VC. Okay, so this one also you can select from forum to Jackson. Okay, J, you search for J, this one Jackson VC. Okay, so in this way, and branding color also. So for example, here we have this color over here. Same, actually you can select the same color, black one. Okay, in this way, means you can adjust, you can maintain your branding, okay, consistently across all the assets. And you have this redo undo option over here. Okay, and this is actually Facebook cover over here. So you search for with the beauty, you will get lots of templates. So simply tap on that design you like. Okay, let me tell you, for YouTube banner also, so you may need to type with the keywords. Okay, if you are not able to find related templates, you can see these are not related, so you need to search with your industry keyword. Okay, then you tap on the start now, so you will get related, all related. You can see beauty related, this one YouTube banner. Okay, so you tap on this design you like. So this is actually Facebook. Okay, Facebook cover. So here you can all about makeup, and then your website is just you enter the website, which is Glow Me. Okay, so glowme.com. Glow Me. And then logo, what logo you have, you can you need to enter over here. Okay, and you can upload also, you have this upload option. Okay, so in this way you can create any branding or any design, okay, on mobile browser. Beauty basics, makeup podcast, and here you can enter your same thing, Glow Me. Okay, makeup podcast. So again this one Jackson BC, you can change. Yes, so this one is the Jackson BC. Okay, so now color. So the same color you can use anywhere you want. So I want to use this color over here. Okay, so you tap on this and you will get the hex code. Okay, so everything on mobile browser I am showing. So just copy the hex code. Okay, so you will get the color option over here, plus sign. You tap on this plus, and this is the hex code. Okay, let me mark this so that you can understand. So this is the hex code. Okay, you need to copy this code over here. Okay, so you will get the plus sign. From there you can copy it. So this is the option. Actually, you simply copy this code. Okay, and you need to paste. Okay, this is the color, and then again plus sign. So this is a plus sign. Okay, this is a plus sign, and then here you need to paste the code. Okay, delete it and then paste it. So you can see same color, we got the same color. Okay, so in this way you can maintain color font consistently across the designs. Okay, for example, you want to make it white and background. Okay, so this is the background white, or else this gray color, and font color you just use the same thing, same font what we have just we have this code, hex code. Okay, you paste the code so that you will get the same color. So in this way you can design your custom branding assets fully on mobile browser. So hope you understood and enjoyed this tutorial. So you should watch our next parts. Okay, where we cover actually remaining assets also. So using this tool you can create any designs you want. For example, posters, flyers, invoices. Okay, videos, animation, t-shirts. Okay, and also any websites or link in bio, then social media post, then profile pic, banner. Okay, covers. So whatever you want you can generate, business cards. Okay, logos of any industry, any keywords. Okay, so this much for today. Please subscribe this channel and wish you all the best.